Are you looking for the best pipe cutter? I've got this one right here. Figured I'd show this thing off to you guys today. So if y'all find this video helpful, definitely appreciate you guys hooking that over for me right there. So this is a ratcheting pipe cutter. It can go all the way up to 2.5-inch pipes right here. I've got a 1.5-inch pipe right here, so I figured we would test it out with this. As you can see, you got a nice big opening right there, and this is a ratchet style, so we're just going to simply put the pipe in there and then just start squeezing on the bottom right here to be able to get it to ratchet down. You can also adjust the sizing right here as well for how the thickness, the diameter is of the pipe, so that you can kind of fit it into there nicely. So we'll just go ahead and put this on around right here. I'll lower that down just a hair to kind of hold it nice and into place. And then obviously you'd have like a mark or something on here of where exactly you want to cut. But I'm just going to simply ratchet this thing on down. As you can see, getting a nice clean cut. I'm trying to do my best to show it to you guys. All the way through. Very easy to do. You can hear the ratchet as it's cutting through, so that you know when it's getting there. Ow, that hit my foot. But as you can see right there, you got a nice clean cut all the way around the pipe right there. Made it super simple to be able to get that cut, since it had that ratcheting ability right there as well. And then you got a nice clean looking blade right there. So if y'all are looking for some pipe cutters that'll cut some good pipes for you, they have all the sizes and whatnot on the side right here, so you can easily reference that if you need to. Another thing too that I wanted to point out is that if your blade does start to get weak on you, you just simply have this little guy right here. You push that on through, and then the whole blade comes out. You can see the blade on the bottom through here. You can see where it ratchets right here. It's got all the little teeth along the bottom of it. And then this is the pusher right there, so it pushes with each ratchet. So if y'all are looking for some pipe cutters that are going to do the job for you, y'all definitely go and grab y'all some of those. Y'all let me know if this was helpful. If it was, there's that helpful right there. Definitely appreciate you guys hooking that up for me. Y'all go ahead and add this to your cart if this is something that you want. And thank you to these guys for sending this to me so I can show it off to y'all. Thank y'all for watching, and Dad out.